Hi guys, it's Simon, and today I want to make this local custom cover, and he chose this sapphire leather, yes, and inside pocket he has designed a pocket, and he just used the paper and to make the shape to me, and want me to make this custom pocket on each side of the notebook. Yeah, and I feel it's not bad, and I can try to make it and see how it looks. Okay, so I will start to make it now. Okay, see you later. Hi guys. Yes, I made this custom orders, and you can see the local order, and she just tattooed the paper design to me, and when I saw these two paper, I feel it's just like a piece of cake. It's just too easy, but the truth is not really very easy, you know. And I already cut a lot of letters at that, and in a wrong way, because when I cut it, it will become the two pieces of letters all in the same side. So in order to make this notebook cover, I waste a lot of letters in this cover. But now you can see it's really beautiful too, and it has many triangle pocket inside. So because he also want to be a folio cover, so I just leave the big piece to let him to style the notebook inside the big cover, under the big cover. And she want to have the more space to put some, because he is a photographer, so he usually to take his camera to everywhere to take photos. So I think he just need many small pocket to put the photos, the pictures. Yes, so he make this design. Yes, so you can see, and it's really beautiful. But and he also to make this special leather rope. Yes, he don't like the button, he don't like the elastic, he only want everything in the layers. So everything that just follow his mention, and in the final, I just think if it cannot just down by these two pieces of the paper. Yes, it cannot. It's just a little mistake in the design. So if without this button leather, these two pieces won't get together. So I add a big button of the letters in the back, and now you can see it's really beautiful. Yes, and I think I will put this in my shop too, and I have to think a good name for it. So it's the local order. Yes, and just add a leather rope and close like this. Yes, very easy. And I already stitching the leather the rope into the cover, so it's really strong. And also the leather rope is very thick, so it won't be just broken very easy. Yes, so you can see, and it's just a very natural rope. I just random to cut it off. So it's very beautiful. I do love it too, and I wish you guys will love it too. Okay, so see you guys next time. Bye bye. Hi guys, it's Diamond, and I'm back because I make this cover the local orders in these 2 days, and it spare me a lot of time because it's a custom order, and the customer, he only takes 2 paper, the paper design to me, and he want the inside pocket just like this 2 paper. So when I see this, I feel it's just very easy. But tell you guys, the truth is when I make it, it's really not easy. It's a little bit difficult. and I also, in order to make this pocket inside, I also waste a lot of layers, because you can see now it's just like a polygon layer, a Polygon Pocket. So you can see it's just combination with many triangle and many different shape, and they combine together, they will going to become the polygon. Yes, so I will call this pocket is the Polygon Pocket, and it's really beautiful and also very functional. So you can see each pocket has all very deep inside. Yes, and the layer individual in the inside. Yes, you can see. And he also choose 3 different colors of the layers. So when they make it, it's really beautiful. Yes, and he also want me to add a leather rope to let him to close the cover just like this. Very easy. Yeah, just like this. Because he don't want the buttons and elastics, so he only want me to add a leather rope on it. So I'm sewing it inside to the cover. Yes, and the leather rope is very strong and very thick, so it won't be just very easy to broken. I think if you use about many years, it's still very strong. Yes. So I'm so happy to make this custom order, and although it really wastes me a lot of layers, but I think it just worth it, because it make me to have one more options in my shop, and it's called the Polygon Pocket in my shop. Okay, so wish you guys will love the new design of the pocket, the Polygon Pocket. Yeah. Okay, so wish you guys will love it. See you guys next time. Bye bye.